This presentation aims to look at the changing family structure seen today, the effects on child social and emotional development, and the implications for educators. Urie Bronfenbrenner's ecological theory introduces the systems that children are embedded in and how the systems interact to aid in children's development. The systems include the microsystem, including aspects such as family and friends, the mesosystem, which is the interrelationships between microsystems. For example, inviting friends to a family barbecue would allow the peer group and family group to interact. The exosystem involves aspects of the child's environment that are not directly involved but that could affect them, such as a parent's work. The macrosystem represents the attitudes and ideas in the child's culture. Finally, the chronosystem represents changes that occur over time within the four systems or within the child. Historical changes are part of Bronfenbrenner's chronosystem and can affect children and families over time. So what are the changing family structures we see today, and how will they affect children? Some of the changes we see in family structure today includes parents having children at older ages, single parents, either from the start or through divorce, adoption, blended families, and gay and lesbian parents. The following pictures represent the types of diverse families we might see today. When looking at positive effects of family changes, older parents tend to be more established in their careers. They are able to find a work-life balance and report feeling more responsibility and enjoyment in raising their children. Older fathers are also more likely to be actively involved in the child's daily routine. When it comes to adoption, some adopted children do have more psychological issues, but adoption can provide a safe and supportive home for the child, and the benefits can be seen, especially when the child comes from adverse conditions and are introduced to a positive environment. Studies have also shown that there are no major reports on adverse emotional effects of being raised by gay parents. Children of gay couples develop and grow in the same manner as those with heterosexual parents. There could also be some negative effects on the changing family structure. Studies show that some children do have more psychological and social issues when they come from single-parent homes. Stress, financial hardship, and lack of social support all contribute to these issues. When single parents have an outside support system, children are better able to adapt socially and emotionally. Divorce and remarriage are also associated with some psychological and social development issues in children. While there are both positive and negative effects of the changing family system, it is important to note that each family and child is unique and individual. Children adapt both socially and emotionally depending on the quality of the relationship with their parent or parents, siblings, peers, and other people in the community. It is important that educators are aware of the changing family structure. We must recognize that there will be a wide variety of family types within the classroom. It is important to reflect and affirm all families within the classroom. It is also important that educators do not make assumptions about children or their families and instead invest the time and effort to get to know each child and family.